Hello everyone and welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily fix your frozen screen or apps crashing and etc. on your Samsung Galaxy A36. So if you're experiencing issues with the phone, I'm going to walk you through some quick and easy fixes to get your phone back to life. So let's start with one of the most common issues, your screen freezing. So if your phone becomes unresponsive and you can't do anything on the screen, what you can do is try a forced restart. And how you can easily do that is by holding the power button and the volume down button for about 10 seconds at the same time. Now keep holding it until the screen goes black. And now keep holding it until the screen shows you the Samsung logo. Now you can let go and wait for it to turn on. Now once the phone restarts, check if it works normally. And remember, forced restarting doesn't delete anything from your phone, so you don't need to worry about losing your photos or apps, because it simply restarts the phone without the need to touch the screen. Now, the next common issue is crashing or freezing, and this can easily be solved by clearing the cache from the app, because over time the cache data can build up and cause apps to misbehave if there's too much of it. So, how to delete it? It's pretty simple. Go to settings. Now here you need to go to apps. And now after you found the app, what you need to do, I'm going to search for mine. And how you can easily delete the cache is scroll down until you see storage. Now click it, and here click clear cache. And that's it. It's that simple. Now, if this does not help, sometimes the apps can crash because they are outdated. So what you can do is go over to Play Store. Now tap the menu icon, which is after you click your avatar. Now what you can do is to go to anything here. Sorry, not anything, but you can try and go to manage apps and device. And here what you need to do is click on all apps up to date. Now here what you can do is install all the updates. Here you can also manage it if you want to delete it. And that would be it. Now if this did not help, what you can try is uninstall those apps. So how you do that is you basically delete them from here by clicking uninstall, or by going to settings and deleting them from here. Now click on uninstall here and click on OK. And now the app is gone. Now you can try and reinstall it from the Play Store. Now if this did not help still and the app is crashing, you can check for software updates, because they may have bugs inside or they may be updated. So first, go to settings. Now what you guys need to do is head over to software update and now click download and install, and make sure that you're running the latest update, just like me. And if it still did not help, what you can try is factory resetting your phone. And how you do that, go to general management and now click reset. Here scroll all the way down until you see factory data reset, click it, and now scroll down to reset. Now draw your current pattern. For me, you can have a pin code or something. Now click delete all and make sure to follow the on-screen instructions later. And it can fix everything, but it will also erase everything, so make sure that you back up your device. And that's it for today's troubleshooting guide, and hopefully these tips for you worked and got your Samsung Galaxy running back smoothly. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and follow for more tutorials. See you.